So we made it, and we're now in the little village of Wilmington, which is absolutely beautiful. Last night we stayed at the beautiful valley campsite, which is pretty amazing. There was like a tiny horse just wandering around the campsite.
There's a tiny horse wandering around the campsite. Oh, hello. Hi. Oh, how cute. Can I pet you? Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, hi, horsey. What's your name? Hello. Hi. Oh, hi. Aw. You're so cute and little. Oh, I'm freaking him out.
Bonnie fed some possums.
Hi.
Mother's getting a bit upset she's not getting anything.
Oh, there you go.
Watch your fingers.
Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. Oh, how cute. Oh, hi. Oh, oh, there you go. Oh, how precious. Oh, so cute.
And like nearly imploded from the cute overload. And now we're on our way to a Punch and Judy museum, which should be pretty weird. All right. Okay, so that was the Puppet Museum. We found the leaflet at the caravan park. Thought we'd chase it up, and who would have thought it was bloody amazing. Brian just has this insane collection there, and he gives a lot back as well. He does puppet shows for kids and hospitals and stuff like that. But the winds are getting up now, so on the owner of the caravan park suggestion, Stefan, we found this rail trail that takes you all the way to Melrose, which is our next stop. We're getting attacked by magpies! We're getting attacked yet again. Here we go. Oh, Jesus! Oh my God. Look at this. Oh. Look at him! Look at him go! Duck! Oh, Jesus. Oh! Jeez. All right, time to get the pedal on. Oh, come on, man. Jerks. Oh, why? This is ridiculous. Okay, we safe? I think we're safe. Oh, we made it.
We have finally arrived in Melrose. This is a really cute little town. It's got this fantastic bike shop slash cafe, and we went there earlier for a much needed lunch, and David went and nerded out in the bike shop while I went and sat and ate cake, which is what I've been looking forward to this entire time. The best thing about Melrose though, and we kind of splurged and treated ourselves, we are staying in a little red truck. That's right. We're staying at the North Star Motel, and one of the rooms they have is a red truck that's been converted into a little cottage, basically. It is so cute. I'll give you a little tour. All right. So, this is the bed. As you can see, Bertram and Bruce are already resting. And the bed is in this little loft area. And David is downstairs. He's just doing some computer stuff. It's another thing, it's nice to have internet again. So yeah, that's our room up in the loft. And then this is the entranceway slash kitchen. So yeah, we really like it. And then there's like a separate room with the shower and toilet in it. And yeah, we're super excited. There is a brewery in town, so we're gonna go spend a couple hours there and just enjoy our day off.